Unleashing the power of cellular healing, understanding the body's self-repair mechanism. Imagine a world where your body could self-repair, without the need for medical intervention. That world is here, today. Our bodies are incredible machines, capable of healing from within. This process is called cellular healing. Simply put, it's the body's natural ability to regenerate cells, replacing damaged ones with healthy ones, promoting overall wellness. This isn't just about healing physical wounds. It covers mental and emotional health too, restoring balance to our frazzled minds. So, what can you do to support this process? A balanced diet, regular exercise, and stress reduction are key. Remember, it's not just about living longer, it's about living better. Embrace the power of cellular healing for a healthier, happier you.